Let me put this simply for you. This is a daily time frame. Price is dumping hard. This blue candle is Monday, so it's the start of the week. I'm looking for this Monday candle to close whereabouts it is right now, because if we do, we create sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Why is that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency? Because we only had sellers in this imbalance and it is inefficient to buyers. So buyers need to come back up, rebalance into that price action and drop lower. I'm not considering price coming back up to this one yet, because we're going to have this one in mind first. If price finishes where it is, all I'm going to do is come down to a smaller time frame, find levels on a smaller time frame which price could magnify towards, find liquidity pools we could potentially take out, and wait for price to come into these areas and start to sell off. Now, there's a couple of reasons I really want this to happen. One being we would be inside a higher time frame point of interest area. The other being we would sell off above this red line here, which is the opening price for the weekly candle. If you are bearish, the candle is going to open where the red line is, potentially go higher to then sell off, meaning the end result would look something like this, and we would be able to take a sell above the opening price to where the weekly candle started, which is the best place to sell.